Hello everyone, this is Eric Redjet 505. This is a quick video about a very quick car. Okay, so it's not really a quick car because there is nothing in it. This is the new Team Losi, the 22S, the drag racers. And this is kind of like the basic chassis that you're gonna get in a box. They're about around $250 or so, and they are available at MotoStyles shop whenever you're ready. Just go there. What you get in your box, so you get a frame, come already with a pre-installed wheels and tires. And 1 second, there's an ambulance passing by over here. Wow, they're making so much noise. Anyway, they want drag racing. Here we go, the fire department running right there. Anyway, so this is your drag racer. So let's bring it closer and go over real quick. So it's come with those like kind of Mickey Thompson style tires. They feel better than the DR10 actually. This shock suspension system on it is kind of, it's okay. I would say that it's between okay to really sucks, because like I don't like the way that it's actually feel. I would change it to a heavier oil because the rebound on this is just instant. It's not even having any rebound, it's just popping back down. Place here you get for like 2S, 3S, 4S battery. 4S will be a little bit tight, so pay attention. You have of course receiver box, and you have the front. Again, the front is really jumpy. I did just a video on it for the RC Monster Garage, and I really didn't like how it's releasing fast. Of course you have the body mount over here, and you have the big wheelie bar. On this big wheelie bar you can actually set it up different angle. There is adjustment rods over here and adjustment pin, so you can actually set it up to whatever you want. Now this didn't arrive with no electronics whatsoever, so whatever is shown on the box, it's mean optional. It's not mean that you got actually anything in it. But the basic system over here is your motor. You're gonna shove over here whatever electric motor that you have, and you're gonna be ready to roll. More or less, this will be a better option for you than trying to actually take an existing buggy or existing Baja car and make it. I'm gonna build one of those and show it in the other video, so don't forget like, subscribe and share. And I discovered something really cool. We are almost at 10,000 subscribers, so don't forget to like and share those video, and tell all your friends to subscribe, because when we're gonna hit 10,000 subscribers this week, we're gonna give a couple cool gifts to you guys. If you have any question or comment, write it below. If you need to know anything about how to do on those cars, write it below. And if you need to know much more, why are you still here? Go to my RC Monster Garage, my professional channel, where it's designed actually for those cars. It's not mixed with all my other hobbies. Go over there, see what I do. See you. Stay safe, be fast. With this, maybe even faster. Bye.